My name is Raul Canales, and I was gifted a mystery bag from Shit Chefs filled with Thanksgiving ingredients and veggies grown by our local farmers at KelRae Farm. These veggies were apples, tomatoes, sweet potatoes, cranberries, and collard greens. These veggies are rich in vitamins A, C, K, and E, and potassium and minerals. I will be making different types of dishes with these ingredients for our Thanksgiving feast. I am so excited to be helping my mom in the kitchen. Shall we begin? With these sweet potatoes, I will prepare a sweet potato casserole, which is my mom's favorite side dish. I will also use some butter, brown sugar, a pinch of cinnamon, and walnuts for the sauce. Let's begin. I will make some sauteed cinnamon apples for dessert. For this, I will only need butter, brown sugar, and of course, cinnamon. Mira esto delicioso, which means look at this deliciousness.